Welcome back to the our channel. Introducing one long backyard shed or a game changer. A long backyard shed is long just a place to stone tool. Today this unexplored of your home, your living style, and even your income pattern for workshop and studio to gas space and backyard reset long shed can complete transforming outdoor space into something functional and beautiful. We explored inspired long shed idea for backyard canvas design style layout. Plants material interior use and smart tip to help your choice the perfect shade for your need. Whether you have a perfect backyard or wants to maximize even inch for long shade of one fixability story and create all of our structure when define a long smart backyard shed a long shed range of 150 to 400 square feet something even long their shade often functional hardcore multi-purpose window and skin light double and even door earth or inspire other story fun train like story shed long are designed to be walk in space when you can work relax even contemplate this make theme idea for multi-purpose backyard use. Popular long shade style for backyard. Modern long shade. Modern long shade functional, clean line, long roof, natural color, and long glass window. Their design are perfect for home, office, studio, or create workshop. best for home office, RM studio, maximize landscape, rustic brand, style shade. Rustic shade use natural wood material roof and bring door to create a choosy countryside look. There are popular in range or farmhouse shed, convenient charm and functional thing, white, black hardware, roof, first purity, best for gardening shed, multi-purpose family story, define backyard functional, introducing use metal shed, experience and blend functional shed of the build and a modern edge best for metal workshop, wood shed, cabin style shed, their remix trend cabin with warm wood task and invite interior perfect and relax space, guest room, backyard retreat, reading and metal space, functional use for long backyard shed, home office shed with remoting work on a rustic long arc become backyard often add interior electric purpose line to create a quick workspace warm for household key functional long window for natural lights depth and shade cabin controlling workshop shed woodwork material wood project requested space a long shed give you room for tool work bean and story without cut your grouping Install public board add during full your task light. You gas shed or tiny living space. Long shed can be converted into cozy guest room with bed or even smart bedroom. Consider long belter coat. Popular interior. Versatile and soft. Story power house. For homeowner with bike long rustic seasoning, decor and tool a long shed keep everything organizing. Smart story idea. Wall rated overhand shed. Backyard gym and yoga studio. Skip gym membership by create your owner shed requested middle and versatile make its idea for workout yoga. Layout plans for smart space. Popular plants your shed remember functional and cut free. Popular layout. Open plant design for flexibility zone area for story and work. Love story and seasoning impact. Built in cabin to say full story. Always plants workway and door swim space before finish your design. Roof idea for long backyard shed. Roof design afford build static and you build popular roof style. Build roof for traditional look. Gazebo roof for extend living space. Material refined for long versatile. Lights and window. Natural light transforming a shade for depth story into a welcome space. Long idea, long window, scale light, solar light, LED light,